Alright, ulitin natin. Lost without your love. Lost and all alone. I always thought that I could make it on my own. Since you left, I hardly make it through the day. My tears get in the way, and I need you back to stay. I wander through the night, search the world to find the words to make it right. All I want is just the way it used to be. With you here close to me, I've got to make you see. Here we go. That I'm lost without your love. Life without you is but a trouble, love. I'm as helpless as a ship without a wheel, a touch without a feel. I can't believe it's real. And some days and I wait, find my heart won't have to break. Alright, thank you very much sa mga nanonood sa live. Pasensya na kayo, hindi nyo marinig ko kasi dito sa Star Maker ko. So, mga classmates ko, mga dating samahan sa pamilya ko, thank you very much for watching and listening to this song, Lost Without Your Love by Red. Yes, I'm lost without your love. Life without you is but a trouble, love. All I want is just the way it used to be. I need you here with me, oh darling, can't you see? If we had love before, we can have it back once more. Once again, thank you very much for watching and listening to this song. Papost ko kagad to pagkatapos namin ma-record. Thank you! Welcome to Pupap's Corner.